Hello everybody, and welcome to another video of the JavaFx and the lightweight Java game libraries 3. In this video I just want to sort of like set our stage a bit better so we can see what's going on with our stage before we go on and create the lightweight Java game libraries window. So I'll just show you what we're going to do here, because all this is at the moment, if I just find my application, there we go, and we're just going to run as Java application. So it's just basically a window with a start button. I want to make it a little bit more narrow, and I want the start button to be here, and I also want to have the label to appear at the top. So we're just going to do all that, and for that we're going to have to change our StackPane a little bit, and because at the moment we can add it, but you can't really say where it should be, and I'd like to use the Java JOM for that. So let's just go ahead and I'll show you what I mean. So first of all, here we instantiate variables, and I spelled that wrong. We're just gonna put that right. Variables. There we go. This is where we instantiate all our variables, and then what I want to do is I'm going to edit our scene, and then after that we are going to set the stage. So now we can just see a little bit better what's going on, because at the moment we can't really edit our scene because we instantiate, we just create a new scene, I mean our StackPane. Sorry, this should be StackPane. I'm not going to edit the scene, I'm going to edit the StackPane. There we go. Let's make that a capital as well, just to keep the language correct. We're going to edit the StackPane, sorry, not the scene. So in order to do that, we need to instantiate a new StackPane. So I'm just going to go in here, var, and we're going to say StackPane equals new StackPane. As simple as that. And then we are going to edit our StackPane over here. So first let's just get rid of this, because we want to put our StackPane in here, and we're not going to put the button in there because we're going to do that in the edit. So we're just going to put our StackPane inside our scene like it should be, and that's that. And then in our scene we're going to add the labels now, and we are going to add the button. So in order to do that, we say StackPane dot get children dot, and it's add a node, and in there we're going to just add the label first. It's got to be. Let me just get this properly sorted out so we know where we are. Add node, and that's going to be label. So there we've got our label added, and then StackPane dot get children dot add node, and that is of course going to be our button. Is that correct? Yeah. So there we have our button, and I'm just going to open this. There we go. So now if we run this, you'll see that it's going to be a little bit messy, that we've got the start button just appearing on top of the hello JavaFx. So I'm just going to move that label up to the top here using the Java JOM libraries, and it's actually very easy to do. So let's say StackPane children, and then we are going to say here we're going to do StackPane and And here what we're going to do is we'll just stack pane dot set alignment, and for that we want to have a node and then the position. So the node is going to be the label, and then the position is going to be pos dot top center, bang, like that. There we go. Oh, why is it saying that? Okay, so we just basically just have to declare it static. So let's have a look and see what that does. If you've been asked to import, there we go. If you've been asked to import something, when you put this, you just need to import the Java geom, so the JavaFx geometry. Okay, mine just imported automatically, so didn't have to be worried about that. So there we go, and now we have what we wanted, basically what I wanted. So I wanted to have that at the top and that in the middle. All I want to do now is I'm going to make this quite a bit more narrower, so I'm just going to make that, well, let's make it 150, and we'll see what that looks like. There we go. I'm quite happy with that as a start. So that's how we sort of like edit our imported JavaFX, and we imported our libraries from using Maven, and how I like to lay it out. So yeah, I hope that was useful. I certainly have more of an idea what's going on in my project now, and I'm ready to start creating the Java lightweight game libraries window, which of course is going to be a different class. So yeah, I do wish you a very happy coding.